How to order on the Chick Fil A app with a gift card. So here's the process that we need to do. So first we'll open up the Chick Fil A app, then select scan at the bottom of the home screen. Then we need to click the add funds button below the QR code and select the option to transfer a gift card again at the bottom of the screen. The last step that we need to take is enter the gift card number and PIN, and this is going to add the gift card to our Chick Fil A app. Now, if we want to do this using a desktop, we'll just have to log in into Chick Fil A One account on this website, then select payment and subscriptions, and then proceeded by add funds and select the option to transfer a gift card. And again, we'll need to enter the gift card number and PIN. So here you can read some extra information, but the process is fairly straightforward. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.